inexperienced, and we knew that we were just going to have to play hard. And I'm proud of my teammates. Our coaches did well to prepare us, and we had an opportunity. That's all we wanted. And our inexperience showed at the end. The game was close, and they made the plays that they needed to, and we didn't. We had plenty of open shots. I would bet that my teammates would make those shots if we got the opportunity next time. So, I mean, I'm happy with our position. I'm happy with the game that we played.
Thank you very much. I'll pass things over to Bulgarian head coach Rosen Bachovsky. Your impressions on the game?
I can talk in English, but I'm very tired. And I will talk Bulgarian. Ще да транслирам. Първо поздравление за отбора на Словения за това, че спечелиха мача.
Congratulations to the Slovenian team for the win.
Това беше един много труден мач и за двата отбора.
It was a very hard game for both the teams.
И това се вижда в процентите за стрелба.
You can see from the percents for shooting.
Двата отбора играха с 40% стрелба.
It was about 40% for both the teams.
И много слаб процент от тройката. Общо карахме 6 тройки по 3 тройки двата отбора.
And it was really awful with the percentages from 3-pointers. Both teams scored 6 3-pointers. Each team.
Разликата дойде в това, че Лакович и Лорбек вкараха 2 тройки точно тогава, когато трябваше.
The difference was when Lakovic and Lorbeck scored 3-pointers just in the moment they needed.
Те за това играят в Барселона.
And that's the reason they play in Barcelona.
Аз съм доволен от нашия отбор.
I'm very pleased with our team.
Ние играхме през цялото лято само с отбори от нивото на Словения.
The whole preparation in the summer we played against teams from the class of Slovenia. So
Загубихме няколко мача с много голяма разлика.
we lost some games with big difference.
Но това ни помогна да изравниме критерия си и да опитваме да играем близко до най-силните.
But that helped us to try to play as good as the biggest team in Europe.
Имаше една микроситуация, която ние пропуснахме, малка ситуация, в която водехме с 6 точки, 57 на 51.
We had a great chance in a situation we had 6-point leading.
И тогава изпуснахме два наказателни удара, от 4 карахме 2. Разликата можеше да бъде 8 точки.
Then we missed two free throws and we could make it a difference 8 points, but it was 6.
За нас борбата продължава. Победата на Словения беше само една мечта.
We go on. We dreamt about winning against Slovenia, but it was only a dream.